Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to take a different approach to answer some of your questions. The most common queries related to exam preparation for law officer exams, we will be answering few of the queries. Rather, you will be answering those queries and I'll be helping you, I'll be guiding you how you can address your queries. You may have to identify the specific points that fit for you. Today in this video, I'm going to use AI tool ChatGPT to help you answer some of your queries. Your feedback is always welcome. You can mention whether you like this approach, whether this approach was helpful to you or not in the comments below. This is a ChatGPT screen, so we'll be starting with a hello. The first question that most of the students have and few of you may also have is, in how much time can one prepare for law officer exams like SEBI legal, IBPS SO law, RBI legal, NIACL, NICL legal and other law officer exams? So let's start with first question. Are you eager to see what is the response? I am. So let's see. The preparation time for law officer exams like SEBI legal, IBPS SO law, RBI legal, NIACL legal, etc. depends on your background, familiarity with legal subjects and exam pattern. So here ChatGPT has given a general estimate. Let's try to understand this. If you are well versed with core legal subjects, so if you have basic understanding of the legal subjects, you may take 6 to 8 months for your preparation of various exams. If you already have strong foundation in constitutional law, company law, contract law, and are familiar with competitive exam patterns, 6 to 8 months of focused preparation is usually sufficient. You will be able to cover the topics once and you will be able to at least cover one revision in 6 to 8 months. Here you will mainly need to revise your legal concepts, practice mock test, and work on general awareness, English, quantitative aptitude, and reasoning. Here also understand the daily time commitment is not mentioned. So whether you are a fresh candidate, you are into full-time preparation mode, or whether you are working professional, this timeline may vary a little bit. So you'll have to further ask those specific questions from the AI tool. Now here, if you are starting from scratch, 10 to 12 months will be required to prepare for these exams thoroughly. Assuming that you are not in touch with the law subjects or are new to competitive exams, 10 to 12 months is a better timeline. Here you will have to cover the legal syllabus from scratch. You will also have to improve on your English reasoning skills. You'll also have to practice MCQs and go through the previous year papers. So for SEBI legal preparation, 8 to 12 months because there are specialized financial and securities law present. For RBI legal, you will have to focus on banking laws and RBI regulations other than the common laws. For SO law, it's basically a little bit easier. Here you can do it in 4 to 6 months. If you focus on basic legal knowledge. And for NIACL legal officer, it's similar to IBPS SO, but here you have to focus on insurance laws. Now the key factors that are affecting your preparation, you'll have to identify your strengths and weaknesses. What is your current knowledge? At what level you are? For this, you will have to attempt a mock test and see where you are standing. Whether you are fresh out of law school or whether you are working professional, the preparation time may vary. Then how you are regularly studying, what is your consistency? So regular practice and revision can also shorten your preparation time. And then you'll have to focus on mock test and previous year questions. The more you practice, the better you get, which will further reduce your preparation time. Now see, the AI tool is asking me, would you like a detailed subject-wise preparation strategy for any specific exam? This varies because I do create personalized study plans for various students. And this personalized preparation strategy changes from student to student. So we will not answer this question, but you can give your specific pointers to the tool and use the tool to give you those specific timelines. If we again write this question and ask for details, such details may also come. So if you have strong legal background, 6 to 8 months is required. Even the recommended study plan can also be offered by the ChatGPT. For months 1 to 3, revise the core legal subjects. For month 4 to 5, solve previous year questions. Focus on case laws, legal updates and current affairs. For month 6 and 8, mock test revision and interview preparation. If you are starting fresh or need a refresher, 10 to 12 months. Then months 1 to 5, build conceptual clarity on legal subjects, on your general awareness, English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Months 6 to 8, practice MCQs. Months 9 to 10, focus on speed and accuracy. And if you are working full time, you may take 12 to 15 months. Even suggested plan is also given. So you can use the tool very minutely to create your own plan. You may have to use your wisdom as well. Now let's move to the next question. What all sources can be used to prepare for these exams? What is the best source to prepare for these exams in the given timelines? See, the best source for preparing for these exams is a mix of your books, your bare acts, is a mix of online material, mock tests, previous year papers, practice revision material. So you'll have to refer to your bare acts. If you need, you may have to subscribe to some online courses. The best source for law officer exam preparation as per this tool, as per ChatGPT, is for legal aptitude and professional knowledge. Bare acts, most important, read the sections and important case laws, then move according to the syllabus. So here a few of the topics are given, list is given, but you'll have to refer to the syllabus. And even books are mentioned for conceptual clarity. Most of the books are the ones which you have studied in your LLB. So you can look for that. And even online courses and platforms are mentioned. Even iExamB's legal courses, comprehensive study plan, mock test guidance, crisp, concise content for 50% faster preparation, all is available in iExamB's legal courses. Then for general awareness and current affairs, you can refer to Hindu or Indian Express editorials, Press Information Bureau updates, Economic Times business standards for RBI legal, SEBI legal, banking awareness, JIB, CIB books. You can also refer to iExamB's BPedia, which is a current affairs module which is available free of cost. Then moving to English language and descriptive writing, the few suggestions are given over here for quantitative aptitude and reasoning as well. So the tool gives you a detailed, very comprehensive study, but then you will have to compare what is best for you, what fits your requirements. You cannot study each and everything. You'll have to go for smart study along with hard work. Another very common question which may come in your head, but you may or may not ask that. So let's ask this tool about that. Is there any shortcut to prepare for these exams? Okay, so you might already know the answer for this question. And we also guide you time and again, there is no real shortcut to preparing any exam in life. And this is true even for law officer exams like SEBI legal, RBI legal, IBPS SO. But you can use smart strategies to optimize your preparation and reduce your study time. The smart strategies for faster preparation includes focus on your bare acts and important sections. You can use sticky notes or mnemonics to remember tricky provisions. In our courses, we have summary sheets which can help you remember tricky provisions, refer to important sections only. You should also prioritize law as per the exam. For SEBI legal, securities law is important. For RBI legal, banking laws. For IBPS SO law, Companies Act, Contract Act, banking laws, insurance laws is important. And here I'm really proud to read this. ChatGPT mentions the best resource for focusing on smart strategies is bare acts with short notes plus summary PDFs from trusted sources like iExamB. Now moving to the next, use MCQs for quick revision. Instead of reading lengthy explanations, solve MCQs first and then study the weak areas. Here, you should focus on the analysis. What went wrong? Which questions have you wrongly attempted? Which questions you did not attempt? And analyze those provisions. Even here it is mentioned Universal Guides to LLM Entrance, best for illegal MCQs. I haven't gone through this book. Usually CLAT exams, LLM exams are case study based. You have to go through judgments and questions are based on those judgments. So I'm not sure to what extent these MCQs are relevant. You can refer to the book, you can go through it once and you can see whether it is relevant for these exams or not. And then there is iExamB's online test series for law officer mock test. Then the next part is master previous year papers and patterns. You should analyze last 5 years papers. 5-year papers are not available with us. We have 3-year papers. So you can even refer to these and see what kind of questions have come in these exams. The best sources again, iExamB or other platforms which provide previous year questions with explanations. Selective current affairs and case laws. Case laws are not too much important. Just refer to the recent or landmark ones. Current affairs, you will have to refer to last 6 months important current affairs and not only legal. For general awareness, you will have to refer to the general current affairs as well. You can use iExamB's BPedia. And then there are smart notes and mind maps. So you can create 1-page summary for each act. We have summary sheet which is going for few pages depending upon the length of the act. But you can also summarize it for last minute revision. Then flowcharts for legal procedures, short notes on RBI circulars or guidelines, can further help you remember the facts. Then attempt mock tests regularly. Start with mock tests from day one. This I will not advise. If you are still beginning, give 3-4 months to your preparation. You can go for chapter test, topic wise test, but for mock test, just wait for 3-4 months and then start attempting the mock test. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, build your time management and accuracy based on that. Again, best mock test sources are given iExamB and other platforms. I'm not sure about the legal mock test of other platforms, but I can obviously mention about the iExamB one. Then prioritize high scoring areas. Final 3-month shortcut plan. Go for this once you have completed the syllabus. You cannot directly move to any shortcut. It's very difficult to prepare for these exams in 3 months unless and until you have strong foundation. No shortcut can replace the start preparation. But using MCQs, previous year paper, notes, mock test wisely can definitely cut your study time by 50%. And that is what is iExamB's mantra. Prepare 50% faster with iExamB. So in this video, we have addressed these 3 questions. Let me know if you want me to decipher more questions for you. Do mention those questions in the comment below. Use ChatGPT to get answers. And then if you still want me to answer those questions or to help you understand those tips and tricks from those questions, mention that in the comment below. I'll be waiting for your text and for further questions that you want me to answer. At iExamB right now, today is Mahashivratri. We are running flat 60% off. Also in our comprehensive and exclusive online course for SEBI Legal, the introduction and strategy classes on 28th February. You can enroll and you can start your preparation 50% faster with iExamB. Last year in 2024, there were 5 vacancies in legal and we had 3 selections from our courses. Prior to that, in 2024, there were 25 vacancies and we had 12 selections from our courses. And over the past years, dream of SEBI Legal for many students have came true through iExamB. And we are proud to help and guide so many students to achieve their dream job. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.